Waking up in the middle of the night with leg cramps? Doctor warns, be cautious of these 4 life-threatening diseases. Eat this fruit more often, and your cramps will vanish, letting you sleep peacefully till dawn. Hashtag middle-aged thoughts, hashtag retirement, hashtag happiness, hashtag life, hashtag happy later years, hashtag reading, hashtag Buddhism, hashtag wellness. What's the most important thing as you age? Of course, health is the most important. A healthy body is worth more than gold. Without good health, you can't talk about a happy later life. Once your body collapses, once health is lost, living becomes a torment. Mr. Zhu, in his early 60s, usually lives a regular life, and has always been in good health. But just half a month ago, Mr. Zhu started experiencing severe pain and cramps in his calf muscles while sleeping at night, alternating between his left and right leg. Initially, Mr. Zhu thought it was just a simple calcium deficiency. Nothing serious. And didn't pay much attention. He just bought calcium supplements from a nearby pharmacy. However, after a while, the symptoms did not improve. Instead, they got worse. Sometimes the pain was so bad that he couldn't sleep all night, leaving him exhausted during the day. Realizing something was wrong, he quickly went to the hospital for a checkup. Actually, many people have experienced leg cramps while sleeping. Like many others, the first thought that comes to mind is a calcium deficiency. But is that really the case? To determine if leg cramps are caused by a calcium deficiency, we need to understand one thing first. Why are leg cramps more likely to occur while sleeping? Why are leg cramps more likely to occur while sleeping? Is it due to a calcium deficiency? Cramps actually have a more precise name. Medically, we often call it muscle spasm. When this happens, patients often experience severe pain and stiffness in the legs. If it occurs at night, it greatly affects sleep. There are many reasons for muscle spasms. Calcium deficiency is indeed one of them. When the concentration of calcium ions in the blood is too low, muscles become easily excited, leading to cramps. For example, pregnant women and teenagers, due to their high calcium demand, are more likely to experience cramps. But this is just one of the reasons and relatively rare. The causes of muscle spasms can be mainly divided into 2 categories. One category is physiological. For instance, cold stimulation can cause blood vessels to contract, ultimately leading to leg spasms. During intense exercise, leg muscles contract too quickly and don't have enough time to relax, leading to an increase in local metabolic products like lactic acid, which can also cause cramps. Overexertion, such as marathon running or mountain climbing, can also lead to cramps. Regarding Mr. Zhu's cramps, the attending doctor, after listening to Mr. Zhu's description, learned that Mr. Zhu had a balanced diet and no obvious signs of calcium deficiency. Upon examining the left calf muscle where Mr. Zhu experienced pain last night, found that the muscle was very stiff at the painful spot. After further inquiry, finally discovered the cause of the cramps: overexercise without proper warm-up. It turned out that Mr. Zhu had been exercising a lot recently, averaging over 20,000 steps per day according to his WeChat step count. But he never warmed up before exercising. This led to muscle spasms. The other category is pathological. For example, strokes, epilepsy, etc., can cause muscles to lose normal nerve control, become overly excited, and lead to spasms. Additionally, conditions like lower limb arterial occlusion and lumbar disc herniation can also cause cramps. Therefore, don't just assume it's calcium deficiency when cramps occur. You need to find the specific cause. To address it effectively, especially for pathological cramps, you need to identify the underlying disease. Once the root cause is resolved, the cramps can be effectively alleviated. 2. Frequent leg cramps at night could be a sign of these 4 diseases. Don't ignore it. Regarding physiological muscle spasms, generally, proper adjustment can solve the problem. But if you frequently experience cramps at night, be cautious, as it could be a sign of these 4 diseases. 1. Lumbar disc herniation. According to related data, about 70% of patients with lumbar disc herniation experience cramps. This is mainly because the compressed spinal nerve roots reduce blood flow within them, making it more common among the elderly. So, if elderly people frequently experience cramps, they should also be alert to lumbar disc herniation. 2. Lower limb arterial occlusion. Professor Shin Yunfeng, Chief Physician of the Department of Endocrinology and Metabolism at the Second Affiliated Hospital of Nanchang University, reminds us that some elderly people with a history of high blood lipids, high blood sugar, and high blood pressure are prone to arterial sclerosis. When this happens, the blood circulation in the legs is often not smooth, easily leading to blockages, reducing blood supply, and causing cramps due to ischemia. No matter what the disease is, if not treated promptly, the consequences can be severe. Therefore, if elderly people frequently experience cramps, they must seek medical attention promptly. 3. Liver diseases. The liver is an important organ for protein synthesis in the body. When the liver is diseased, the amino acid levels in the body decrease. Amino acids are essential nutrients for bones. If the body lacks amino acids, the nervous system becomes disordered, leading to muscle spasms and leg cramps. The liver is also a detoxifying organ. When the liver is damaged, toxins may accumulate in the body, causing muscle spasms and pain. When leg cramps occur due to liver disease, you need to find ways to expel toxins from the body. 4. Cardiovascular diseases. When elderly people experience leg cramps, the first thing to consider is cardiovascular diseases. Leg artery embolism can easily cause nighttime leg cramps. This is because 80% of artery embolisms originate from the coronary arteries in the heart. When there is detachment or blockage in the coronary arteries, it can cause embolism in the lower limbs, leading to muscle spasms in the legs. Other cardiovascular diseases, such as heart failure, varicose veins, persistent high blood pressure, etc., can also cause leg cramps. 3. How to quickly relieve pain when leg cramps occur while sleeping. Experiencing leg cramps at night is very painful. You could say that those who haven't experienced it don't know what pain is. So, what can we do to quickly relieve the pain? The best way to relieve pain when leg cramps occur is to gently stretch the tight muscles. Use your hands to firmly massage the calf muscles. This can relieve muscle pain. When muscle spasms occur at the back of the calf, you can lie flat. Straighten your knee. Try to lift your leg as high as possible. After maintaining this position for a while, the muscle spasm will be greatly alleviated. You can also apply a hot towel to the cramped leg, massaging the leg while applying heat, relaxing the muscles. This can also effectively alleviate leg cramps. Another effective method requires someone's assistance. When cramps occur, try standing up. Bend the cramped leg backward, almost touching the thigh, and have someone help pull it down. Bringing the soles of both feet together can also somewhat relieve the cramp. Next time you have a cramp, you can try a suitable method for you. I believe it can help you greatly. 4. What to do about frequent cramps. These methods might help you prevent them. Cramps are very painful. So to avoid this pain as much as possible, pay attention to some details in your daily life to prevent cramps. 1. Keep warm. When muscles are cold, blood vessels contract, leading to cramps. So, make sure to keep warm. In summer, avoid direct exposure to air conditioning or fans. In winter, add clothes and bedding in time. If possible, soak your feet before bed to promote blood circulation and prevent cramps. 2. Stretch muscles. Before exercising, always warm up properly, especially stretching the muscles. You can do some stretching exercises to activate various parts of the body, maintaining smooth blood circulation in the lower limbs. Otherwise, leg cramps are likely to occur. 3. Supplement calcium. Since calcium deficiency can also cause leg cramps, pay attention to your diet. Eat more calcium-rich foods, such as milk, shrimp shells, seaweed, tofu, etc. Also, supplement with vitamin D. Eat more dairy products, lean meat, etc. to promote the dissolution of calcium salts, helping absorption. Additionally, spend more time in the sun, as sunlight promotes vitamin D synthesis, helping calcium absorption. There are many causes of cramps, both physiological and pathological. If they occur frequently and persist for a long time, it is recommended to visit the hospital for a checkup to rule out disease factors causing the cramps and avoid serious consequences. So, what should you eat when you have cramps? What foods can prevent and treat cramps? Today, let's learn about what's good to eat for cramps. 1. Bananas. Leg cramps might be caused by a potassium deficiency. Bananas are rich in potassium, which helps prevent muscle spasms, especially bananas. They are a relaxing fruit, containing pantothenic acid, which can make you happy, relieving depression. This also has a good effect on leg cramps caused by prolonged mental tension. Besides bananas, other potassium-rich foods include seaweed, kelp, bok choy, potatoes, grains, etc. 2. Milk. Leg cramps might also be caused by calcium deficiency leading to muscle spasms. Milk is rich in calcium, helping to replenish the body's needed calcium, preventing leg cramps. Besides milk, calcium-rich foods include soybeans, seaweed, celery, tofu, mushrooms, etc. 3. Animal liver. Animal liver is rich in vitamin D, which helps the body absorb and utilize calcium, preventing leg cramps caused by calcium deficiency. Besides animal liver, vitamin D-rich foods include sardines, egg whites, sea fish, butter, lean meat, etc. In addition to supplementing vitamin D to promote calcium absorption, you can also get calcium through exercise and sun exposure. 4. Dried tofu. Dried tofu is rich in nutrients, containing a lot of protein, fat, and carbohydrates, as well as calcium, phosphorus, iron, and other minerals needed by the body. Moreover, tofu protein is a complete protein, containing all 8 essential amino acids, and in a ratio close to the body's needs, making its nutritional value high. During the production of dried tofu, salt, fennel, star anise, ginger, and other seasonings are added, making it fragrant and delicious, and never boring to eat. It is known as the vegetarian ham. The lecithin in dried tofu can remove cholesterol attached to the blood vessel walls, preventing arteriosclerosis, protecting the heart, Dried tofu also contains various minerals. Supplementing calcium. Preventing osteoporosis caused by calcium deficiency. Promoting bone development. This is very beneficial for the bone growth of children and the elderly. It also greatly helps with cramps caused by calcium deficiency. 5. Soybeans. Soybeans are rich in protein, containing various essential amino acids, which can improve immunity. The lecithin in soybeans can remove cholesterol attached to the blood vessel walls, preventing arteriosclerosis. Protecting the heart. Soy lecithin also prevents excessive fat accumulation in the liver, effectively preventing fatty liver caused by obesity. In addition, soybeans contain soluble fiber, which can help with bowel movements and lower cholesterol levels. Soybeans also have a good effect on hand and foot cramps. 100 grams of soybeans. 60 grams of fine rice bran, boiled in water until the soybeans are thoroughly cooked. Consume twice a day. Can prevent hand and foot cramps. 6. Seaweed. Many people think leg cramps at night are due to calcium deficiency, but magnesium deficiency can also cause leg cramps. Nutrition experts suggest that people who frequently experience leg cramps try eating more magnesium-rich foods. An average adult male needs 350 milligrams of magnesium daily, while a female needs 300 milligrams. Magnesium deficiency can lead to muscle weakness and reduced endurance. Magnesium also has an important role in protecting cardiovascular health. Magnesium deficiency can cause rapid heart rate, arrhythmias, and myocardial necrosis and calcification. Recent studies by foreign scientists indicate that people in middle age and older should pay more attention to magnesium supplementation. Among vegetables, seaweed is the richest in magnesium, containing 460 milligrams per 100 grams. Known as the treasure trove of magnesium, frequent cramps can be alleviated by eating seaweed, which is also quite effective. 7. Mushrooms. Mushrooms are known as the king of mountain treasures. High in protein, low in fat, low in carbohydrates, and rich in vitamins and minerals. They contain 18 amino acids, including all 8 essential ones. Mushrooms produce less heat than soybeans, 1/8, meat, 1/4, and eggs, 1/3, making them very suitable for weight loss, hypertension, and hyperlipidemia patients. They contain more calcium than most foods, making them a great supplement to prevent rickets. They are beneficial for leg cramps caused by calcium deficiency. Moreover, the fatty acids in mushrooms help reduce blood lipids. The above introduction covers the possible causes and prevention methods for leg cramps. I hope it helps those in need. Life is not easy. Besides health, everything is fleeting. Having health is the source of your life, and the greatest asset for your happiness. That's all for today. Thank you for watching. I hope today's content was insightful. For those who haven't subscribed, don't forget to click subscribe. This way, we can accompany you every day. Growing together, being happy together, and slowly growing old together. See you next time.